Hey there, job seekers. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to apply for permanent residency in the beautiful land of Australia. If you've been dreaming of kangaroos, pristine beaches, and endless opportunities, then stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you step by step. First off, let's talk about eligibility. To apply for an Australian PR, you'll need to check if you meet the basic requirements. This includes age, English language proficiency, relevant work experience, and qualifications. Make sure you have your skills assessed by the relevant Australian authority. This is crucial and you can't skip it. Next, you need to select the right visa category. The most popular options are the Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189, Skilled Nominated Visa, Subclass 190, and Skilled Work Regional Provisional Visa, Subclass 491. Each has its own criteria and benefits, so choose wisely based on your situation. Once you know which visa to go for, it's time to submit an expression of interest, EOI, through SkillSelect. You'll need to provide details about your skills, qualifications, and experience. It's a competitive process, so make sure your EOI stands out. If you receive an invitation to apply, celebrate a little, but don't relax just yet. You'll need to submit your visa application within 60 days. Gather all your documents. This includes your skills assessment, English test results, and identity documents. Make sure everything is up to date and accurate. Now here's a tip: get your health and character checks done early. These can take some time and you don't want any last-minute surprises. You'll need to undergo a medical examination and obtain police certificates to show you have no criminal record. Once you've submitted your application, the waiting game begins. Processing times can vary, but you can check the status of your application online. In the meantime, continue to improve your skills and stay updated with any changes in immigration policies. And finally, when you get that golden email saying your PR has been granted, it's time to pack your bags and get ready for an incredible new chapter in Australia. Don't forget to register with Medicare and apply for a tax file number, TFN, once you arrive. So there you have it, the Australia PR application process simplified. Follow these steps, stay organised, and soon enough, you could be living your dream down under. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and guides. Good luck on your journey and see you in Australia.